In this video, how to turn on LinkedIn notification. I will show you step by step how to enable notifications on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, click your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now click the option called Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, find the section called Notifications. Click Notifications to open notification options. You will now see different types of notifications available. You can enable notifications for messages, jobs, and connections. Click the type of notification you want to enable. Now turn on notifications such as push, email, or in-app alerts. Make sure the option is enabled. You can repeat the process for other notification types. If using mobile, also check the app permissions. Open your phone settings and find the Apps section. Find LinkedIn and make sure notifications are enabled. After that, LinkedIn will send alerts when important updates happen. This helps you stay updated on messages, jobs, and interactions on LinkedIn.